Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Bhargavi Raval, and this video I'm going to show you how to illustrate a male clothes, and I have also tried to do a shaded sherwani kind of thingy. Okay, so as usual, start first with the pencil sketch and then I have used the Artline pen. Now the best thing about using Artline pen is that it becomes faster to illustrate. Once your outline is established, rendering inside becomes easier, it becomes quicker. So of course it's not one of the best method, but it's a quickest method. So if at all you want to sketch and you want to make it quickly, always start with the outline and then you can color it. So as you can see over here, again the pen I've used is Artliner, and the reason being they are not soluble in water. That means on this illustration, even if I use watercolor or even if I use Staedtler and smudge it with water, my black color is not going to bleed. Okay, so starting first with Staedtler, what I am using is 3 or 4 shades of blue. I have tried to create a ombre look. I have tried to create a shaded, a long wrap sherwani kind of thingy. So I am using darker tones and then adding lighter tone. Again, I have tried to recreate this similar kind of, shaded kurta. And of course there are many mediums I could have used. I could have used poster color or watercolor, but Staedtlers are quickest, and usually designers use this medium very often. Anyway, so my shaded sherwani wrap around tunic or sherwani, whatever you want to call it, it's done. I've created a lapel kind of thing, short shrug kind of thingy. I have given a bishop sleeves and nice pants, simple cotton pants. Now another reason I've used this Staedtler color is because it gives a very raw cottonish feel to it, rather than a nice silky feel. If it was a silky feel, of course the way of rendering would have been different, but to create that rough, you get this raw cotton thingy. Okay, for the belt I have used the Camlin brush pens. They're easy and quick. You can use sketch pens also. With brush pens I am giving the shading with Staedtlers, so making the edges darker with Staedtler. Again coming to skin, because my basic body line is established with black pen, it becomes easier to do the skin. I have just shading it up with 3-4 shades of skin tone. Again here I have not used Staedtlers. There's another pencils which are specially for skin. Okay, I'm adding the again using a Camlin brush pen and adding the detailings, making the edges darker. The footwear is more like a mojuri, and then again for the hair also I've used the brush pens. They're more like sketch pens. So good to go. And now adding the background. See, it's easier, it's quick, and it's fun illustrating. So these are the pens what I've used. Camlin brush pen, approximately 350 rupees is the MRP. Of course many times you get a discounted rate also. And Staedtler color, usually a pack of 48 comes for 1800, but when I was cross checking today, it is available for something like 1400. And this other Artliner pen, I think 440. Again you get discounts on Amazon, so but these are the rates. Okay, so thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell button, and follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is Bhargavi Raval. That's where I communicate with all of my students. Bye bye.